Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to see Temu sign-in activity, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your Temu account sign-in activity, first open up your Temu app and make sure you're logged into the account of which you want to view the sign-in activity. And when this opens, guys, when Temu app opens, at the bottom of the screen you can see the U button available for us at the bottom middle section of the screen. Tap on the U button, and when you land on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings button available for us just beside the support button. Tap on the settings, and again when we land on this interface, there is the account security option available for us just above the permissions. Tap on account security, and when this opens, guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see the option where it says sign in activity. Tap on the sign in activity just above your delete your Temu account option, and all of your sign in activity of your Temu account will be listed over here. And if you find anything suspicious over here, or one of your devices which your account shows but you don't want to be logged into your devices, if those kinds of devices are over here, you can change your password or sign out of those devices if you don't recognize them. And with that being said, guys, currently I'm on this session, so I will not be able to log out. But in your case, if you find a different device, then you will be able to log out, or you can just simply change your password to keep your account secure. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see Temu sign-in activity. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.